This tutorial will show you how to locate a specific journal in our collection. As you're doing research, sometimes you may find a citation in a reference list that you'd like to track down. In this example, we have footnote number 88. It's important to note what the title is of the publication, in this case, Proceedings of the First Workshop on Digital Biomarkers. When you have a citation and need to find out if the journal is part of our library collection, you can come to the library homepage and from the search box, select the Journals A to Z tab and put in your journal title. Clicking the search button will initiate the search to see if this item is part of our Journals A to Z collection. If it is, you'll see a link for full text access. Expand that link and it will show you any databases we subscribe to that contain that item. Choose your database and you'll be redirected into that library subscription. In this case, the ACM Digital Library. And we have the Proceedings of the First Workshop on Digital Biomarkers on the screen. And we can browse through the entire table of contents and find the article that we were specifically looking for. The Journals at HU tool allows you to browse by publication topic to search for specific titles or search for keywords. It's accessed by clicking on the Find Articles tab and selecting Journals at HU. The Journals at HU Full Text Finder tool allows you to link to publications across all of our library collections. You can use the search box or you can browse by topic, discipline. In this case, I'm going to choose Information Technology. This displays a list of titles related to information technology. I can browse the list or I can use the Limit Your Results options to narrow it down further. If I look more closely at item number 2, the Academy of Information and Management Sciences Journal, if I expand the full text option to see the database that it's in, which is Business Source Complete, I can click that link and it will take me to the database containing that title. Once you've chosen a title, you have the option to search within the publication or to browse by volume, by date, by volume, and issue. The results list will then display a list of the table of contents of that volume and issue so that you can browse or search for specific articles.